Welcome everyone to Bunny's super fun cake decorating competition! Today we have 2 cakes and 2 beautiful styles. This is Bunny. Diane, oh Bunny. Hello, that's me. Super cute. And this is our friend Spider Hero. He's super cool and strong. I brought lots of soft pastel frosting. Spider Hero prefers darker colors, like chocolate and hero red. Today's toppings are super plentiful. Fruits, candies, and even chocolate. Net ready! The first round is about to begin. Bunny will start first. I'll create a really soft and even frosting border. A smooth layer of white cream for the cake surface. Adding some cute blue swirls to make the cake even cuter. Now it's Spider Hero's turn. Look at him! He uses melted chocolate. Oh, it looks so cool! Letting the chocolate drip down like this is the prettiest. And with this drizzle, the mission is complete. It's perfect. Time to decorate. Bunny chooses fruit first. I'm making a strawberry heart. And 2 super cute kiwi eyes. Sprinkling rainbow candies to make the cake sparkle. Spider Hero starts pulling candy web. It looks so professional. The spider web on the cake is so beautiful. He adds red syrup to increase the power. Then he places a strawberry in the middle, like an energy heart. It's time for the 30-second challenge. I can only use 1 paw. Oh dear, Bunny dropped the candy. Hurry up! Time is almost up. I have to clean up this scattered candy. Cleaned up. Cleaned up, Blacko. Let's continue. Let's get ready for the final touches. Bunny adds mint leaves for fragrance. Draw a pastel smiley face to be extra cute. Spider Hero adds sharp chocolate shards. And and some energetic zigzag syrup lines. Let's look at Bunny's cake first. Hearts, pastel colors, and rainbow candy. Super adorable! Wow, LaLa! Your cake look amazing with those berries.
Thanks, Brent. And your web dribbler looks spectacular. Check out my masterpiece! Look at this candy web. I just spun some more.
That's the most amazing web I've ever seen, Spider-Friend.
I know, right? It's totally edible, too. Go on, try some.
Look at this amazing cake I made! It's sticky, sweet, and totally heroic! Welcome to the Superhero Bake-Off! Behold my pastel dream cake!
And check out my amazing web of power creation. Which one will you choose?
If you love the cute style, choose Bunny's team! If you like the powerful style, choose Spider Hero's team! Comment below to let Bunny know who you choose. I wonder who will win! So exciting! Thank you for watching the video with Bunny! See you again in the next competition! Remember to like, share, and subscribe to support Bunny! Many more super fun competitions are waiting! Keep being creative every day! Goodbye, and see you again! Bye-bye, everyone!